Hi guys, unbox tayo sa dumating na pinakamurang wireless pen setup from Poseidon. So, check natin if okay ba ang quality sa pinakamurang presyo nito. So, tsura pa lang, mali na yung sinabi nila doon sa kanilang post. So, yung picture doon sa post is itong pen lang. So, I thought ang wireless pen as ganito lang. Pero, separate pala. Meron pala siyang wireless battery. So, this is the wireless pen setup. Long press para turn on. So, sobrang haba po niya, no? So, para sa akin is hindi maganda yung kanyang design dahil sobrang haba at hindi maganda yung balanse sa kamay. Try natin with cartridge needle. Kung malakas ba yung kanyang andar. So, try natin. Medyo hindi maganda yung andar niya, guys. Maybe low bat na to. So, to adjust the voltage, guys, kailangan naka-on siya. Hindi siya mag-adjust ng voltage kapag naka-pause or naka-off. Kailangan naka-on siya to adjust voltage. So, ito po yun, guys, yung murang wireless pen ng Poseidon. So, inside the box, guys, is yung wireless battery niya at saka ito, charging cable. At pwede mo rin siyang gamitin via RCA. So, if you have power supply, pwede siyang gamitin with your RCA cord na nasa loob. So, dahil sa sobrang mura niya, guys, ganun talaga yung produkto. Pero okay lang din kasi this battery niya, pwede mo tong gamitin sa kahit anong RCA machine. So, you can still use this just in case. So, yung presyo nito, guys, is the whole, itong set is same price lang sa mga wireless battery na available sa market. So, parang bonus na lang yung pen kaya hindi masyadong maganda yung kanilang quality. So, again, guys, this is a product of Poseidon. Ang kanilang pinakamurang wireless pen na setup. So, I think that's all for today, guys. Thanks for watching.